Over the Rhine, or OTR, stands out for its vibrant street art and urban murals. Seamlessly integrated into the neighborhood's historic architecture, these imaginative works form a colorful tapestry along the streets, welcoming visitors with a lively atmosphere and reflecting the creative spirit of the community. OTR's commitment to public art has transformed it into a hub where creativity flourishes and the city's culture is vividly celebrated, offering an inspiring backdrop for photographers. To capture the essence of OTR's murals, use a 50mm lens for a natural perspective that highlights both your subject and the surrounding artwork. Incorporate people interacting with the murals to create engaging visual stories, experimenting with angles and framing for dynamic results. Visiting early in the morning not only ensures fewer crowds, but also provides soft, even lighting that enhances the rich colors and details of the art. With these techniques, your photos will reflect the neighborhood's energy and creativity. As you venture further, remain open to discovery. Murals can be found in unexpected places, from quiet alleyways to bustling intersections. Explore a variety of styles and locations, and try different compositions and lighting to showcase each mural's unique character. By approaching every artwork with curiosity and a fresh perspective, you'll uncover new stories and add depth to your portfolio, strengthening your connection to OTR's vibrant art scene.